Well, another DACA case in court today, and this one involves people whose applications for the program are still pending.
Fox 5's Jessica Formoso live outside of the U.S. District Court in downtown Brooklyn, where that case is being heard. Jess.
Good evening, Teresa and Lori. The hearing lasted over an hour, and the judge did hear both arguments and said that he will take everything into account. Now, the plaintiffs in this case, all dreamers, they argued relief for 92,000 first-time DACA applicants and DACA recipients with renewal applications that were filed more than a year after their DACA status expired. The Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program, an Obama-era program, allows those who arrived in the United States illegally as minors obtain a renewable 2-year work permit that protects them from facing deportation. Last year, a federal court in Texas found the program to be illegal. And although the judge agreed to leave the program intact for those already benefiting from it while his order is appealed, pending that appeal, these dreamers here today in Brooklyn are asking the judge to modify the court order and grant them interim relief and allow the 92,000 applications to be processed. The plaintiffs argued that they paid for these applications and that the government cashed their checks, yet their applications are still in limbo. We spoke to the lawyer and a plaintiff after the hearing, and they say they are hopeful.
There are two groups that are currently considered as initial applicants by the federal government. Those who have previously held DACA and whose DACA statuses have lasted for a year or more, and also first-time applicants. Currently, all processing on these applications are completely stalled. And as we argue in our brief, as we argued in the courtroom, further processing would provide additional meaningful relief to class members and allow for the swift adjudication of these applications should DACA or some other similar program be reopened in the future.
Feeling hopeful. I think the judge recognized today that this is about people. It's not a political stunt, but I do feel hopeful that he was exploring any potential relief that we're seeking here.
And the judge said that this is about human beings. He also said that, his hands are tied pending that appeal. But he also referenced and did say that he hopes that, that there is a solution for these dreamers. He mentioned that something needs to be done in Congress. We're live in Brooklyn. I'm Jessica Formoso, Fox 5 News. Teresa and Steve, back to both of you.
All right, Jessica, thank you.